How many international centuries Anil has scored in Test?
2. I wish.
Too easy.
It's too easy. You
Yeah.
can't be asking these questions to Murali.
Correct.
I mean, he's taken 800 wickets, make it a bit more.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू डेली सालार डिजिटल। आज हम स्पेशल ओकेशन पे है जो कि है 800 मूवी का मूवी लॉन्च इवेंट, जो कि है आधारित है मुथैया मुरलीधरन के लाइफ के ऊपर, एक बायोपिक। और यहाँ पे अपने साथ है अनिल कुंबले, देन मुथैया मुरलीधरन and also Madhur, who is playing the character of Muthiah Muralidaran's life. So we have got a lot of stuff in the video, so let's check it out.
You have 18 ducks. Any two who have more than you?
B.S. Chandrasekhar.
When you know it, but actually I can't even cross-check if the answer is right or wrong.
And possibly Venkatesh Prasad.
Name the player who became Murali's 800th wicket. Mr. Anil.
Oh, that's easy. Pragyan Ojha.
Right answer.
No, because we play cricket not for breaking records, play for the country and also for the team to win. So sometimes you do well, sometimes other person do well. So it's like on the day, because we all try to perform, we practice hard, we all do everything. On the day that someday you wake up in a good mood and your everything goes right, then you're on song, like what he did 10 wickets in against Pakistan. You can't imagine in an inning to take 10 wickets, impossible. Twice I missed it because it's a destiny.
Is this movie being released in Sri Lanka, and what's the plan in Karnataka? Anybody can take it, Mr. Krishna.
No, it's released in all over the world.
I'm very happy because it is finally, with all the obstacles, it's even movie had a lot of things to go. 5 years it took, so many problems and game, and it's coming to screen now, 6th of October. And the trailer looks very good, and some people have watched the movie and said it's better than the trailer. So hopefully, I think definitely public will love it. So everyone come and watch and enjoy themselves. I was shocked and upset when it happened. So main reason I got over is Arjuna Ranatunga is like a father figure and helped me that. All teammates get together with me, and also whole country without seeing a race or religion. Or I'm a minority community, still they support as a cricketer to me. So that united being everyone, and then that's why it's gave immense power to me for mine, and that's why I could get over this. I think winning the World Cup is very difficult to say because it is a luck and everything has to go. India has a better chance because we are playing home, and also advantages there, and also they are very good side.
You know, through all of that, the grace he carried himself with, and there's, obviously it's a 2.5 hour film, so you can't show everything, even though we've shown all the most important parts. But after that whole controversy happened, so I was telling you the other day that the next time he was playing a match in which Darrell Hare, the umpire who no balled him, he was officiating, and Sir made it a point before the start of the match to go up to him when he was inspecting the pitch, shake his hand, talk to him for a few minutes, just to put him at ease about everything that had happened. So this is a man who holds no grudges, even for someone who almost ruined his career. So it takes a big man, to say the least, to do that, and I think that's what I learned the most. So this is a lot more than just a sports biopic, Maybe 20% of this is about sport, but it's actually a character study. It's a human story. It's a story of a young kid struggling with his identity, coming from a minority in a war-ravaged country. So through his story, you also get to see the journey of a whole community and a country through a socio-political landscape. So, and plus, obviously, it's his personal story, a lot of stuff that you don't know about. That's why the tagline says the unknown story of Muralidharan, because we all know his exploits on the field and the controversies happened, this and that, but it's what happened behind the scenes that I think people will be really surprised, because I was taken aback when I first read the script, because I thought, okay, the sports biopic, I know everything about Muralidharan, what happened, but I was really struck by how much I was not aware of about his story, and I think people are going to feel the same. So yeah, it's a roller coaster ride, and please do come and support and watch our film.
He's chucking.
Could this be the end of the road for Murali?
You guys have thrown everything at him. Your umpires, your fans, press, even your Prime Minister. But you can't take it down a guy this good.
Cricketer.